We are checking out this place, Wild Fork. They are meat and seafood market. They have shrimp, bison, veal, lamb. They have duck fat, if you need duck fat. They have, what else? Sauteed duck breast. Oh, they have duck breast. And then they have whole duck. They have whole duck there. Like one duck is $20. And they have also veal ossobuco.
And
Chuck roast.
scallopino.
Yeah, if you are looking for bison. Where's the bison here? Bison, yeah, bison too. We have ribeye steak. And those are, what are those?
Lamb.
Lamb. They have rack of lamb.
Australian lamb.
Australian lamb. And then lamb chops, 22. What do you want? This one is lamb whole leg. Oh, lamb whole leg. How much is the whole leg? The whole leg is $60. This is boneless bills. This is a great deal. This is only $6.48. Like 1 pound. You probably need 2 pounds. Here at Wild Fork. We're grocery shopping here at Wild Fork. They have all kinds of like lamb. All like, oh, gold. Oh my gosh, they have gold cubes. Gold cubes over there. I like that gold. This is the place. There goes. You have a lot of options for dinner actually, especially if you live by yourself. They have a lot of stuff here that are like really easy to prepare. Snap beans, burger, brioche. That's what Daddy wants. These are the sausages, uncured sweet Italian sausage. They have uncured sweet Italian sausage, huh? Oh yeah, I'll get that. And then they have uncured bratwurst, uncured. This one is uncured steakhouse, uncured calabresa sausage. Oh, Josh, we like this. This is, oh, I like this one. This is unique. Did you find anything?
Ground beef. Did you get him for
No.
or chili?
Aged beef. Those are the prices. Ribeye. Beef ribeye is $20. Information. Why frozen? So frozen is like fresh. It 10 times blast freezing minimizes crystallization, seals in vitamins and minerals, use only what you need for less waste, and safe handling guaranteed from farm to table. Keeps flavor fresh for longer. So those are the advantages. We'll get Chilean sea bass. Chilean sea bass is $30.98 each.
Question, which one is better, black sea bass or
Chilean
Chilean?
sea bass. This is a great deal. Shrimp skewers are already like on skewers and they are $9.99. And then here they have ribeye steak. This is beef peeled tenderloin. And then they have beef. And this is beef tenderloin roast. Organic is $18.98 a pound. Beef on duck, roast pheasant quail. Oh, nice. Chicken breast. Those are the prices. Chicken thighs. Chicken breast. And then, oh, 2 whole chicken, southern barbecue. You just need 2. This is 15. You just need to cook in the oven. They're already seasoned. We have turkey, mahi-mahi filet.
How about hearty tuna here?
Which one?
Steak already.
Yeah.
Steak size.
Alright, that one. You can get that.
11.
And then here they have Berkshire pork, a very good pork. So these are the prices. $29.98 for this one. Grill from frozen in 30 minutes. Oh, there you go. It's easy from frozen. This is chimichurri tri-tip. And this is a really actually great option since, like, you know, you have something to cook whenever you are like in a rush. And pork tenderloin fillets for fajitas, beef for fajitas, beef for taco meat, and this is fajita seasoned ground chicken. And then this is seasoned beef marinated skirt steak. I think I like this one. I would like to try this where's that? This chimichurri seasoned tri-tip. This is easy to prepare. See? Beef outside skirt steak. These are seasoned already. Giant chimichurri over there, already seasoned.
Pero only one cut medallion.
Beef for fajitas.
Yeah.
Beef for taco meat. Oh, look. Beef for taco. So if you don't know how to cook, then you have these options already. They are seasoned already. Pork tenderloin. This is whole brisket. Oh wow. This is 166 for the whole biscuit. This is aged premium Berkshire pork. That one is $15.20. So ostrich is $24 for this one. We just wanted to try how it tastes, how ostrich would taste. So here's what we have so far. There's hardly other stuff. These are all like pork loin, pork, steak. Maybe for weekend now.
Yeah.
Not right now. This is $41. The bread, frozen bread too. 2 for less. This is $4.98 each. This is the garlic bread. We have dinner rolls, all from like frozen state. And then the vegetables. Sweet potato blend. The French fries. Hash brown. This is, what is this? Baby potatoes. Tropical dragon fruit smoothie blend. Ooh, I get that. And then the pineapple. They have watermelon too. We'll get this fruits for mango too. And they have like those fish Lorraine, cream cheese, chicken curry, beef bourguignon, lasagna, macaroni and cheese. Setting desserts, they have this Belgian waffles, key lime pie, lost burnt cheesecake. They have mini beignet filled with cocoa and hazelnuts. They have chocolate lava cake. They have lava cakes, custard filled Belgian waffles. Ooh, that's interesting. French grapes, macaroons, toffee cakes, campbell blossom, pineapple upside down cakes. Oh, they have all the desserts that you might need. I like the wild pork
Or
custard.
do you want to get the beignets?
The seasoning, spicy seafoods with basil garlic. And the bags are $12 each. Here's our haul from that market, from Wild Fork. This is where it is located in Encino. Total for this grocery shopping haul, including the bag, which is like $12, is this one. And here's what we got from Wild Fork. Nice like bag too. This is for like this week's like groceries. We'll try if they taste like really good. So this is the garlic bread. We got 2, and then we have the for like smoothie. We have mango, strawberries. Josh, look at this.
Oh, nice!
What is this?
Dragon fruit and strawberry.
Dragon fruit. So there's dragon fruit, another dragon fruit. We're going to use one. I'm going to make smoothie. we're like thirsty. We have gold cubes, and then we have like shrimp skewer. This is a great deal. There are like how many like skewers of shrimp, and then this one is a little pricey, the ostrich, and then this one is so cute. I like this, the sausage, uncured pork sausage with fine herbs, and then we have the veal, the boneless veal for stewing. We got 2 of this, and then we have the sweet basil and garlic seasoning, and then the last one is the 4-fruit smoothie. So those are all that we got. This is tropical dragon fruit smoothie blend. So it has pineapple, mangoes, dragon fruit, and coconut. And then I leave a little bit for toppings. So it's not like really thick smoothie. We would like to make more of kind of like a juicy, or of between like really thick smoothie and more of like a juice. So I put a lot of like liquid. Look at this, beautiful. You could put like mint on top too, right? To make it, oh look at how pretty. Here you go, cheers. Here's our plus one over there. Here's what I'm cooking for dinner, the veal from Wild Fork. I am going to make like stew. And then I'm adding carrots and potatoes. And then this 27.9 ounces crushed tomatoes. And then for seasoning, I'm using this beef seasoning from the Korean market, Dasida. And here's the veal stew with potatoes, carrots, and bell pepper. And then for the bread, I'm using this garlic bread. It's supposed to be really easy to prepare. In the oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. And there are other ways to prepare too, like frying pan, air fryer, grill machine, electric grill, or grill. But I'll use the oven. So 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm preheating the oven right now onto a 400 degree preheated oven for 5 minutes. And here's the bread. Here's what I'm cooking for our breakfast today. This is uncured pork sausage with fine herbs from Wild Fork. And this is how it looks. And our brunch is ready. We have the shrimp, the sausage, avocado, eggs, and then rice, and then coffee. Let's eat. But it's so cute. This is almost done. Ooh, look at the grill mark. I'm on this one, the third one. Ooh, fantastic. We have chicken, grilled chicken given by our neighbor. We have grilled shrimp, tomatoes, and then we have beans, salsa, guacamole, and then we have watermelon. And then for the drink, we have aloe vera drink. Today I'm cooking these goat cubes that we got from Wild Fork. This is, so I'm making stew, kind of like Spanish style, with potatoes, olives, if I can find olives in our pantry, and tomato sauce with paprika. So this is going to be our dinner tonight. Here's the goat stew with potatoes and olives. Let's eat. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.